Hello, Greenwich. It's great to be with you today. While I was at the Leading Area Conference, I found a new, I'm going to call it script or structure or concept for an open house. And we are seeing open houses actually increase as inventory's gone up a bit. We're having a little bit more time on market. That's a great thing. That's a marketing tool and a marketing tactic we haven't been able to use as much because the market's been as fast as it has. So we may be a little bit out of practice with open houses to begin with. Michael Courtwright has a whole open house set up. He's got a whole way to show you how to prep for it, prepare for it, and run it. My thought here is to tell you, here's a couple of different ways to try a slightly different way to engage with somebody as they come into an open house. So as they enter an open house, we're always trying to, make sure we find out what they're looking for and get to know them a little bit. And what I would encourage you to do is follow a very simple script that does a couple things. Number one, I want you to ask them this question: where did you travel from today? You're going to go, that sounds a little different. Doesn't sound exactly like I talk. That's okay. Use those words. Words matter. Let's try it. And what you're trying to uncover is what brought them in, where they're coming from. You're going to get some geography. You may get if they're from in town or out of town, whatever it may be from there. Next, I'd like you to send them on a little treasure hunt. So as they go through the house, I want you to say something along the lines of, hey, as you're checking out this house, I want to make sure that when you're in the master bedroom, you check out this drawer and this carpentry in the walk-in closet because they did a really nice job with that. When you're down on the lower level, please make sure you don't miss what they did for the wet bar. Obviously this is going to adjust based on the house you're in, but send them on a little treasure hunt so they're thinking about the unique parts of the property. They know you know it, and they have something to do as they're going through. Just as they leave or they're walking to go take the tour, just say something really simple along the lines of, oh, by the way, my name's Walter Perschbacher. If you need anything, just yell out, Walt, I need something, and I'm here for you. Let them take their tour, and as they come out, I want you to ask them two simple questions. The first question is, what do you like about this house? So let's see if they have any interest to engage with. If they don't, no big deal. A lot of people just come through and they're not there, and it's not a big deal. The second is, what are your plans for the rest of the day? And you're going, well, why does it matter? Well, it matters because it's going to give you a picture into what they may be doing next and how you may be able to help or not help. In every situation, you might not be able to help, but they could say, well, again, let's say they're in from out of town. They say, we're going to go check out this area of town and we want to get some lunch. And you go, well, what do you like to eat? And then you can give them a restaurant recommendation. You can see this can go a lot of different directions. I can tell you in my time doing open houses, I never used this sort of structure. So my encouragement to you is to try it. Do something different. Mix it up a little bit from the standard way that you engage with people. And let's use some really powerful questions. Where did you travel from? What are your plans for the rest of the day? To try to uncover what their needs are in a different way so that we can provide a different level of service. I hope you have some fun with this. I hope you find it as something to try and just enjoy and do something different. And I appreciate all you do. Thanks. Make it a great day.